Nah.
No.
I don't live over here. I just had a baby right here.
She don't even have a kid by me.
All right.
I do.
Can you please escort
You can't even make eye contact with me.
Can you please escort off?
You can just stand up.
You can't even make eye contact with me. That's fine. You don't gotta say what. Don't touch me.
Don't touch me. You're not.
I really don't care about you. I'm a teacher. I got my own shit. He a felon. I don't need that dumbass Frenchie that can't even bark. You're a and I promise you, you're gonna be sitting there with your 4-ass kids in Memphis, and I'ma still go have me a bitch. Stop talking to me. I don't care.
No, you're
That's the felon. I'm not a felon. I don't care. You're a felon. I promise you. Now, but I'm not gonna tell them what you really do out that crib. You got it. You got it. In Chicago and get no like me. You can't sell no coke and sell it like I was. You can't do none of that. You can't. You cannot.
Gotta go.
Gee, you look like my little ass brother. I don't even.
Either, but get in your car and get out of here.
Nigga G, I'm so glad that God took that baby away and you showing your true colors. I promise to God if I ever
get in your car and get out.
I'm glad that I can make sense of why I lost my dead ass baby. Thank God the baby died.
Shut up and get in your
my back. I'm bleeding. I cannot feel my vagina. I cannot feel my vagina. Feel my vagina.
He's around.
I cannot feel my vagina.
Get her that side.
Get in the car.